Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change chat color and wallpaper on Signal. If you want to personalize your chats on Signal, you can easily change both the chat color and wallpaper for any conversation. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open Signal app on your phone. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings. Now this opens Settings menu. So for here, scroll down and look for Appearance. Once you found it, tap on it. And here you have three options. You have Theme, App Icon, Chat Color, and Wallpaper. So tap on Chat Color and Wallpaper. So you'll now see a selection of colors. So tap on Chat Color, and in here, you will see a selection of colors. So browse through and just pick the one you like. And as soon as you select a color, you'll see a preview of how your chat bubbles will look. So you'll see it at the top. If I select blue, it will turn blue. If I select green, it will change into green. So I'm gonna pick green. You can also add more colors in here. So you can change solid or gradient. I'm gonna close this first. Now, once you're happy, just click on go back and it will be applied just like that. And that's it. Your chat color is now updated. Next, let's change the chat wallpaper. So let's customize the background. Now, while still in the same settings, tap on wallpaper. So you'll be given a few options. You can choose from Signal's built-in wallpapers. Now, after selecting a wallpaper, you'll see a preview screen where you can adjust how it looks. When everything looks good, tap on Set to apply it. And your chat will now have a completely new background. If you change your mind, you can also reset chat colors and you can also reset wallpapers. So, in just a few taps, you can change chat bubble colors, set custom wallpapers, and personalize each conversation. So it's very simple, fast, and makes your chats feel more like your own. So again, you can go to your profile, tap on settings, then tap on appearance, and choose chat color and wallpaper. And from here, you can change the chat color and set a new wallpaper. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.